SEO optimized intro script 1 minute. Welcome back to the channel, coin lovers and history enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the United Kingdom 20 pence coins, one of the most unique and collectible modern British coins ever minted. Introduced in 1982, the UK 20p coin is famous for its seven-sided shape, royal designs, and rare varieties that have caught the attention of collectors around the world. In this video, we'll explore the most valuable and rare UK 20 pence coins, including the legendary 2008 no-date 20p coin, one of the most talked about mint errors in British coin history. Some of these coins have sold for hundreds or even thousands of pounds, making them true hidden treasures hiding in everyday change. So before you spend that 20 pence coin, watch closely. It could be worth far more than you think. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon, because we're about to reveal the UK 20 pence coins that every collector and treasure hunter must know about. Here's a fresh, fully rewritten, highly engaging 9-paragraph script about the United Kingdom 20 pence coin of 2003, crafted entirely in my own words, dramatic and powerful, with no web sources and no repetition from earlier versions. 1. In the world of hidden wealth, some treasures don't glitter, they whisper. The United Kingdom 20 pence coin dated 2003 is one such whisper, quiet, ordinary, and often ignored, yet rumored to hold unimaginable power. To the untrained eye, it is nothing more than spare change, but to those who understand the language of rarity, it is a sleeping giant capable of turning an ordinary life into a billionaire's dream overnight. 2. The coin carries a calm, authoritative portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, a symbol of stability and timeless rule. On the reverse, the crowned Tudor rose stands proudly, representing heritage, unity, and royal tradition. But the true value of the 2003 20 pence does not lie in its design. It lies in what cannot be seen at first glance. It lies in the stories of rare variations, silent errors, and forgotten pieces that escaped into circulation, carrying destiny within them. 3. Coins are born from machines, and machines are not perfect. In rare moments, something extraordinary happens. A slight misalignment, a subtle strike difference, a detail that should not exist. When this occurs, a coin stops being currency and becomes legend. The 2003 20 pence is believed to be one of those coins where a handful of pieces cross that invisible line, transforming from everyday metal into million-dollar artifacts. For imagine discovering one without knowing it. It could be resting in an old coat pocket, buried in a tin of forgotten change, or passed down unknowingly through family hands. You might hold it for years without realizing that your financial destiny is sitting quietly in your palm. That is the magic of this coin. It does not announce itself. It waits patiently for the right moment, the right eyes, the right mind. 5. Among serious collectors, the 2003 20 pence inspires obsession, not because of its face value, but because of its potential. When a rare example appears, it ignites competition at the highest level. Wealthy collectors, investors, and institutions do not hesitate. They pursue it relentlessly, knowing that owning such a coin is not just ownership, but power. A single coin can command prices that change family histories forever. 6. Visualize an elite auction room where silence feels heavy. The auctioneer lifts a small silver coin, the 2003 20 pence, and suddenly the room comes alive. Bids rise fast, numbers escalate beyond logic, and the tension becomes electric. Millions are spoken aloud for something smaller than a button. When a hammer finally falls, it is not just a sale, it is a transfer of destiny. 7. What makes this coin so dangerous to underestimate is its lesson. It proves that wealth does not always come wrapped in luxury. Sometimes it disguises itself as the ordinary. The 20 pence is a test of perception. Those who spend it remain the same. Those who recognize it step into another world entirely. The difference between poverty and power can be no more than awareness. 8. Those who understand the value of the 2003 20 pence do not rush, and they do not sell cheaply. They preserve it, protect it, and let time work in their favor. Because legends grow, and rare coins grow with them. Every year that passes adds weight to its story and value to its presence, turning patience into profit beyond imagination. 9. So if fate ever places a 2003 United Kingdom 20 pence coin in your hand, do not dismiss it. Do not rush to spend it. Hold it, study it, and respect it. Because within that quiet piece of metal may lie the power to change your fortune every night, to elevate your life beyond limits, and to prove that sometimes the smallest coin carries the greatest destiny. If you want, I can now rewrite this in even more aggressive viral YouTube style. Or continue with 2004, 2005, or rare UK-era coin stories, or convert this into a spoken documentary voice-over script. Just tell me thumbs up. Alright, thumbs up here is a fresh, fully rewritten, highly engaging 9-paragraph script about the United Kingdom 20 pence coin of 2001, crafted completely in my own words, dramatic and powerful, designed to sound life-changing and billionaire level, with no outside sources and no copied material. 1. Imagine a single coin, small enough to disappear in your palm, yet powerful enough to rewrite your destiny. The United Kingdom 20 pence coin of 2001 is exactly that kind of mystery. To the world, it is loose change. To those who understand its hidden story, it is a silent fortune waiting to awaken. This coin carries whispers of unimaginable worth, the kind that turns ordinary nights into billionaire dreams. 2. The coin proudly displays Queen Elizabeth II, her portrait calm, timeless, and authoritative, representing an era of stability and history. On the other side rests a crowned Tudor rose, a symbol of royal tradition and strength. Yet the true value of this coin does not come from what is obvious. It comes from what is rare, unnoticed, and quietly powerful within the year 2001 itself. 3. Among the countless 20 pence coins struck in 2001, a very small number are believed to stand apart. These are the coins shaped by chance, minting quirks, subtle differences, or rare conditions that transform ordinary metal into legendary treasure. In the world of collectors, these differences are everything. A single unusual detail can lift a coin's value from pocket change to millions of dollars. 4. Picture finding one in a forgotten jar, an old purse, or tucked away in a drawer untouched for years. At first, it feels meaningless. But the moment you realize what you are holding, everything changes. That tiny 20 pence coin suddenly becomes a bridge between your present life and a future filled with freedom, luxury, and unimaginable wealth. 5. Collectors chase the 2001 20 pence with relentless passion. For them, it is not just money. It is a prize, a symbol of victory over rarity itself. When one of the extraordinary examples surfaces, it ignites obsession. Offers rise fast, logic disappears, and the coin becomes a center of fierce competition, where only the bold and wealthy survive. 6. Imagine an auction room heavy with silence. The auctioneer raises a 2001 20 pence, and the atmosphere shifts instantly. Bids begin calmly, then explode upward. Numbers climb beyond expectations, beyond comfort, into the realm of millions. Each bid carries tension, pride, and desire. When the hammer finally strikes, the coin is no longer currency. It is history sealed in wealth. 7. What makes this coin so powerful is its lesson. It proves that greatness hides in the smallest places. A coin ignored by millions can hold the power to transform generations. Wealth does not always shine brightly. Sometimes it waits quietly, disguised as something ordinary, testing who is wise enough to recognize it. 8. Those who understand the value of the 2001 20 pence do not rush to sell or spend it. They protect it, preserve it, and treat it like a crown jewel. They know that once such a treasure leaves their hands, the opportunity may never return. This coin is not meant for impulse. It is meant for destiny. 9. So if a United Kingdom 20 pence coin dated 2001 ever finds its way into your possession, pause before you dismiss it. Look closely. Think deeply. Because that small piece of metal may carry the power to change your fortune every night, to lift you into a billionaire's world, and to prove that even the simplest coin can hold unimaginable power. If you want, I can now white heavy checkmark rewrite this in even more dramatic YouTube narration style. Or white heavy checkmark continue with 2002, 2003, 2004 20 pence to complete a full viral series. Just tell me, All right, white heavy check mark here is a fresh, original, highly engaging 9-paragraph script about the United Kingdom 20 pence coin of 1999. Written completely in my own words, dramatic and gripping, just as you requested. No Google, no websites, only powerful storytelling. 1. Imagine a small silver coin marked with the year 1999, quietly resting in your palm. To the world, it looks ordinary, forgettable, even worthless. But hidden inside this modest piece of metal is a legend that has stunned collectors and dreamers alike. The United Kingdom 20 pence coin of 1999 is whispered to possess unimaginable value, a coin that could transform an ordinary life into a billionaire's destiny overnight. 2. The coin carries a calm, authoritative portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, a symbol of stability at the edge of a new millennium. Turn it over and the crowned Tudor rose stands proud, representing unity and royal heritage. Yet the real power of this coin is not in what you see, but in what you don't. The year 1999, standing at the threshold of the future, gave birth to coins that would later become object of obsession and desire. 3. In the mysterious world of coin collecting, rarity is everything. Among the millions of 20 pence coins produced in 1999, a tiny number are believed to be different, struck with subtle variations, rare characteristics, or silent imperfections. These are not mistakes to collectors. They are miracles. A single unusual detail can turn a 20 pence coin into a treasure worth millions of dollars. 4. Picture discovering one without knowing its power. Maybe it's hidden in an old coin jar, tucked away in a forgotten wallet, or passed down unknowingly through family hands. You might almost spend it, almost lose a fortune forever, because that 1999 20 pence, if it carries the right hidden features, could erase financial struggles and replace them with wealth beyond imagination. 5. Collectors chase this coin like hunters chasing a myth. When word spreads that a rare 1999 20 pence has surfaced, attention ignites instantly. Wealthy buyers, investors, and elite collectors prepare to compete, not caring about the size of the coin, only about its power. For them, owning such a piece is not just about money. It is about control, prestige, and legacy. 6. Imagine an auction room filled with silence so deep you can hear heartbeats. The auctioneer raises a 1999 20 pence coin, and suddenly the room awakens. Bids rise fast, numbers climbing higher than logic allows. Thousands turn to millions, and millions feel small. When the hammer finally falls, the coin becomes legend, and someone walks away holding a fortune disguised as spare change. 7. What makes this coin truly magical is the lesson it carries. It proves that fortune does not always announce itself loudly. Sometimes, wealth hides in silence, wrapped in simplicity. The 1999 20 pence teaches that destiny can sit unnoticed in your pocket, waiting for the moment you finally recognize its worth. 8. Those who understand its power never rush to sell it cheaply. They protect it, study it, and respect it. To them, this coin is not money. It is opportunity frozen in time. Spending it for face value would be like throwing away a winning lottery ticket before checking the numbers. 9. So if fate ever places a 1999 United Kingdom 20 pence coin in your hands, pause before you spend it. Look closer. Think deeper. Because within that small silver circle could lie the power to change your fortune every night, to elevate your life beyond limits, and to prove that even the smallest coin can carry the weight of millions. If you want, I can continue this exact style for 1998, 2000, 2001, or any other UK coin, so you can build a full viral YouTube series fire. Alright, white every check mark here is your fully original, dramatic, and engaging 9-paragraph script about the United Kingdom 20 pence coin of 2002, written completely in my own words, no web sources, no copying, designed to sound powerful, mysterious, and life-changing. 1. Imagine a coin so small and so commonly ignored that people spend it without a second thought. Yet hidden within it is the power to change a human life forever. The United Kingdom 20 pence coin of 2002 is exactly that kind of mystery. What looks like ordinary pocket change is believed by many collectors to be a sleeping giant of wealth, a silent fortune waiting to awaken, capable of turning an average person into a billionaire overnight. 2. The coin carries a calm and commanding portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, a symbol of stability and legacy, etched into metal with quiet authority. On the reverse stands a crowned Tudor rose, representing unity, royalty, and deep British history. But the real value of the 2002 20 pence does not sit on the surface. It lives in what cannot be seen at first glance, in the rare stories and hidden differences that separate legend from loose change. 3. In the world of coins, rarity is destiny. Among millions of 20 pence coins struck in 2002, a tiny number are believed to exist with unusual characteristics. Subtle minting variations, strange textures, unexpected details, or mysterious imperfections. These small differences are not mistakes to collectors. They are miracles. One tiny anomaly can elevate a simple coin from pennies to millions of dollars. 4. Picture discovering one by accident. Maybe it's hiding in an old coin jar, resting inside a forgotten wallet, or buried in a drawer untouched for years. At first, it feels ordinary, but then you realize this could be the one. That single 20 pence coin could erase financial worries, open doors to luxury, and rewrite your future in ways you never imagined. It is not just money, it is fate in metal form. 5. Collectors understand this power, and they chase the 2002 20 pence with relentless passion. When a rare piece appears, it doesn't sit quietly. It ignites desire, competition, and obsession. Wealthy buyers are willing to offer staggering amounts because they know they are not just buying a coin. They are buying rarity, history, and the right to own something the world cannot easily replace. 6. Imagine a private auction room filled with silence and tension. The auctioneer lifts a 2002 20 pence into the light, and suddenly the air changes. Bids rise fast, thousands, hundreds of thousands, then millions. Each number spoken sounds unreal for a coin so small. When the hammer falls, someone walks away holding not just metal, but a legend worth more than most fortunes. 7. The true magic of this coin is the lesson it carries. It proves that wealth does not always announce itself with noise and glitter. Sometimes it hides quietly in the smallest forms. A 20 pence coin, light enough to fit in your pocket, can hold more power than gold bars stacked in vaults, if you recognize it before the world does. 8. Those who understand its potential never rush to sell it cheaply. They protect it, study it, and preserve it, knowing that value grows with time and patience. To them, the 2002 20 pence is not currency. It is a sleeping fortune, a promise of transformation, and a reminder that destiny can arrive in the most unexpected shapes. 9. So if you ever come across a United Kingdom 20 pence coin dated 2002, do not underestimate it. Do not spend it without thought. Hold it, examine it, and respect it, because that small silver coin may carry the power to change your fortune every night, turn dreams into reality, and prove that even the smallest coin can hold the greatest wealth. Fire if you want. I can continue this exact same style for 2001, 2003, 2004, or a full UK 20 pence year-by-year series for your YouTube channel. Just tell me the next year.